Hi friends, welcome to my channel code GP. In this video, we are going to learn about how to remove duplicate elements from a list using set interface. Okay friends, please do visit to my website www.learngreen.net to learn more about collections in Java. Friends, now let's continue our code demo for removing duplicates elements. So let's start. Friends, here I have one class with name remove duplicates demo. Okay. So first of all, let's define one list with name name list. Okay. List of data type integer. I am giving list name as num list here, equal to call the method as arrays dot as list. Okay, now let's pass the list elements. List elements are 80, 80, 42, 42, and at the last 5. Okay friends, now let's import the necessary interfaces and classes. Okay, fine. Now let's save the code. Now let's define one set with name num set. Okay, new hat set. Pass the set name as num list. Yeah. Now friends, let's go into left and write the name of interface as set. Data type is integer and name of the set is num set. Okay. Now let's import the set interface. Okay. Now friends, let's write code to get an output to the console. Pass the name of the set as num set. Okay. Now friends, let's run our code. Now friends, we are able to remove our duplicate elements which are 80 and 42. So our output is 85 and 42. So friends, let's revise our code once again. Uh, so friends, this Java code demonstrates how to remove duplicate elements from a list using a set. Here we started by creating a list called num list, which represents a list of integers. Okay, this list may contain this list contains duplicate values 80, 80, and 42, 42. Okay, which which we eliminate, which will be we will have to eliminate. Okay. So friends, to remove duplicates, we create a set called num set. To remove duplicates, we create a set called num set. A set is a collection that does not allow duplicate elements. Okay. So friends, we initialize num set with the contents of the num list. Okay, we initialize num set with the contents of the num list, which are 80, 80, 42, 42, and 5. So friends, as duplicates are not allowed in a set, any duplicates in num are automatically removed. And finally, we print the contents of num sets, which contains only unique values from the original num list. Okay friends, now let's compare this code with a real world example as well. Imagine friends, you are managing a guest list for an event, and you want to ensure that each guest is listed only once. Okay, so num list represents your initial guest list, which may include duplicate entries if some guests register more than once. Okay, uh, and later on, by creating num set and initializing it with the guest list, we automatically remove you automatically remove duplicate entries. So friends, this guarantees that each guest is only listed once, preventing that the same person from appearing multiple times in the event records. Okay friends. So friends, this is all about removing duplicate elements from a given list. Uh, I do hope that you understand very well about removing duplicate elements from list. So please do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel code GP. Please help to grow my channel. Thanks for watching the video.